Mine's better. Oh, you want to play?
Stop doing that.
Or what?
What's going on, man?
What'd you pull me over for?
You're speeding.
Hey, it's our friend. Yeah. What's up, Squirt?
Usually. I bet. Probably. Gotta ask him though. Hey, does he always have a cock in his mouth? Maybe answer that one for me.
He said, yeah. Parked in the road. Trying to fix my outside. How come you guys ain't got lights on? You're obstructing the road. Huh, Tiny Tim? Mine's better. Oh, you want to play?
Stop doing that.
Or what? Is yours gonna get hotter first or mine?
It's always the female. It's always the female officer. Got something to prove.
You want to be on YouTube again?
I got a good picture now. It's nice and clear. Oh, so it's clear anymore.
Usually my right side of the team. I got my camera on this way. Hey, David, answer that for me.
Oh, they made you a field training officer now?
Yeah. What's this good side?
Both sides.
What's this good side? Which one is it?
What's going on, man?
What'd you pull me over for?
You're speeding.
Come on. What was my speed?
58 and the 45, man.
Where?
Just south of Warner on Gilbert. You know when you punched it when you're going around the curves? You got your license insurance on you?
Is that you in the truck?
Yeah.
Oh, great. I thought it was. Yeah, I do.
You thought it was? You still did that?
Well, I didn't realize I was speeding. I was trying to get around you so I could turn into the QT right here. That's why I switched lanes and turned right here.
Any weapons in the vehicle?
No.
Just heading to QT?
Huh?
Just heading here then?
Yeah.
Alrighty. How much you had to drink tonight? Nothing?
What do you think, man?
I ask everybody, man.
I've had 4 bottles of water, about half of Coca-Cola.
All right. Where are you heading to now?
Right here.
Let me go run your stuff. We'll get you out of here.
Yeah.
All right, sir. Here's that back for you. Just try to slow down for me, okay, man?
Oh man, come on! I just went live.
Oh yeah.
I need a couple minutes of you messing with me or something.
Oh no, you're good, man.
Come on! All the traffic stops have been bad.
You know, you know, you never get a rise out of me.
I know. Hey, I just want you to know I wasn't like speeding. I was trying to get around you because you were pacing me.
Okay.
You know
Well,
you're pacing me.
You were speeding, but whatever.
I mean, well, let's be realistic. Am I allowed to speed up to get around you if I'm intent to go over into another lane?
Not 58 and 45.
If it's momentary and it's reasonable and prudent, yeah, that's how the speed law is written. I'm just curious.
Have a good night.
All right, man. I got pulled over. I'm gonna park my car real quick. Hold on, folks. Ugh.
Cycle westbound, 2 north of baseline.
I think it is Mr. Friendly. Hey, it's our friend. Yeah. What's up, Squirt?
Oh, that's good shit, bro.
Nah, they're gonna come pick us up now. Somebody was directly. No, black is coming.
Are you good with someone else driving your grandma's car? They want to take your car.
Technically, you don't. You can cross from right here to right there. Officer.
Yes, sir.
These ladies are allowed to cross from right here to right there, are they not? They do not have to walk all the way down to the light.
Cross as long as
they don't obstruct traffic.
They can do it safely.
It's safely and not obstructing traffic.
I don't want.
You're a nice guy, I know you are.
I don't want to.
See, he said as long as you don't obstruct traffic and you're safe about it. It's good seeing you again, man.
You too, buddy.
Have a good night.
Yeah.
That guy's an asshole right there. You might have a different opinion of working with him, but the one that just drove the car away. He just pulled us over a little while ago.
Oh, he did?
Yeah. Have a good night, man.
I'm enjoying the weather, baby.
It's nice out, huh?
Right? You just get on?
Have a good night.
Thanks.
Oh, look, we got a cop running across the street. Fuck, my shit's all blurry.
That's how the one got himself killed.
Yeah, he ran right in front of a car, and then they sent some lady to prison for it. Crazy.
Or tried.
Oh, no, they did. She spent a lot of years in there. It's very sad.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah,
Was it
dude.
prison or county? Either way.
She went to prison.
Oh, fuck.
You would abuse your authority if I exercise my right. Whatever. I don't personally care what you sentence me to. I'm appealing everything today, so it's going to freeze whatever you sentence me to, and we're just going to kick it to a higher court. Because clearly this one is corrupt.
They turning our communities to hot blocks. Yeah, they got Glocks, handcuffs, and badges. They swearing that they hot shots. They want to lock us and throw away the stop. Watch, you know, direct deal, show you how to cop. Watch, cop, watch. Record them when a cop stops. And ignore the pig chatter when a cop talks. You don't need a top-notch camera, just a cop watch. You gotta know your rights or you lose them. So we cop, watch.